Okay guys, back on the creek scene now. I'm going to obviously raise the side of the creek so it's obviously lower into the layout. So now what I'm going to do is actually put another piece of plyboard, scrap board, put it on top. Then I'm going to mark underneath where I've got to cut it. So underneath I will mark like so. So I'll place it on there and come up underneath and mark it and then cut it, and then I should get the same sort of outline. So I'll go ahead and mark it and cut it, and we'll see what she looks like. Okay guys, I've cut the first piece. Fit it like so. But also, it will be raised. So I'll set it like that. And that will give me little gully on the creek with a bit of a side on it. So I'll go ahead and cut all of them now, on this side anyway. And we'll see what she looks like. Okay guys, all the cookie cutting is done now. All I've got to do is lift it up. Now, so I'll lift that up and then screw it in place. Then I just got the other side to do. Okay guys, now I'm going to raise it. So what I'm using is these 20mm or 19mm thickness pine. And I also cut one in half, which will go on top. And that will give me 30mm plus nearly 50mm once I put this on. So if I put these on and then this, and that will give me my height. Because I only want a small height on this side, where this side is going to be higher, much higher. So I didn't want it too high on the front, but that looks alright. So I'll nail all these bits down and see what she looks like. First pine is down and screwed. And all I've got to do now is screw this on, and then she's finished. Oh, that part. And I'll just sand these old cork marks off. So I'll put that on and then just show you. The first one's all now screwed down. Pretty tight too, which is good. So I'll keep going on with the whole other bits. Okay guys, now the first side's finished, as you can see now.
So all I'm going to do now is do the other side, which will be a little bit higher, much higher. So I'll carry on and do the second level, the second side, to match the creek. And I'll show you the progress. Now I'm going to do the other side of the creek now, which will obviously go all the way here and all the way down there. So I'll cut this one and see what she... Okay guys, all the other side's been now cut. I've just got to raise it up. Now it's going to go up about 70 mil. And that's the end. I actually changed this end because it was originally about here, but I brought it back. But anyway, that's it. I'll raise it up. Okay guys, see what she looks like. How I'm going to raise this next level is by the 70 mil pine, but I'm going to go the other way. Normally you would go each beam, but this time I am going the other way because my board sits about here, so that means I've got to keep bracing it. So instead of bracing every single one, I can do it in one full length. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay guys, this part's finished now. The top level's done. It's actually 90 mil. I added another 20 mil. And that's the proper height it's meant to be. So that part of the scene is finished. So I can keep going around the layout. Now, as I said, I was using up all my second-hand boards from the old layout. That's why I had to do this the way I did, because none of my boards were wide enough. Otherwise I would have used one sheet, cut this out, and then I would have had both sheets. But because I'm trying to use up all my old boards, I sort of did it the hard way, just so I didn't have to buy some more board, plyboard. But anyway guys, that part's finished, and I'll show you what I do next, because I've got to carry around the whole layout to get ready before I can even put the track down. So thanks for watching guys.